So we have day 1, week 23. First one is write 41 and 344 thousandths in word form. So I can say it and then write it just how it's written. 41 and, because I have a decimal point, and what's the number? 344 thousandths. Okay. Next problem. Pablo drove 129 minutes on Monday. He drove 98 minutes on Tuesday. And 73 minutes on Wednesday. How many hours did Pablo spend driving altogether? So my question is hours. That's the question, not minutes. But what do I need to do first? I need to add all the minutes up first, so I know how much time he spent. Okay, so 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 3 is 20. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. This works out nice. 2 plus 1 is... Okay, so this is 300 minutes. Who knows the conversion of 1 hour equals how many minutes? Raise your hand. Maya. 60 minutes. Who can tell me the culture that gave us counting in 12s and 60s? Joe? No.
No, it's Egyptian. The Babylonians. It was the Egyptians. It was not the Egyptians. No, it was
the Babylonians. Now, I have 300 minutes divided by how many minutes in an hour?
60.
To determine how many hours. So a 60 cannot go into 3. It cannot go into 30. But it can go into 300. How many times? 5. 5 times 60 is 300. Okay, so we have a total of 5 hours. And if you were to have this on a quiz, you would have half credit off for not labeling, because it really matters. Okay. Okay, again, we're videotaping. We don't need to hear all that. Okay, number 3 is 14 times 10 plus 45 parentheses minus 56 minus 39. So if I'm doing PEMDAS, it doesn't matter which of these I'm doing first, because I'm just doing what's inside and then I'm doing something else. Okay? So 56 minus 39 is 17. So this quantity is 17. Now, this, I'm noticing not in parentheses, I have 3 different numbers and I have a multiplication and an addition. Does that matter where I start there? Yes. I have to do multiplication first. So I'm doing 14 times 10 is 40. And then I'm going to add 45 to get 185. So I'm going to rewrite the problem as 185 minus 17. And I have an answer of 168. Okay, last problem. 3 and 288 thousandths. Rounded to the nearest hundredth. The hundredth place is the first 8. So my answer has how many digits? 3. I'm going next door. Am I 5 or higher? Yes, so my 8 goes up, and so I'm left with 3.29.